Completed video guide. How to use our laser machine to cut acrylic letters. Step 1. Turn on your computer. Open laser machine software. Send cutting dates to machine. So laser machine is cutting automatic. After cutting, use glue to make different color acrylic sheet. Now cut the paper model for build acrylic letter. See effects for the signs acrylic letters.
Now, the company is expanding various kinds of products to all customers, the same as UV printers, large format printers, CNC routers, laser equipments, cold hot laminator, paper cutter, screen pad printing machine, and all type of heat press. Join us and view more at www.crossway-industry.cn.